أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها النبي لما تحرم ما أحل الله لك تبتغي مرضات أزواجك والله غفور رحيم. O Prophet, why would you make forbidden what Allah has made lawful for you merely to appease your wives? Allah is certainly the forgiver and the most compassionate Lord. قد فرض الله لكم تحلة أيمانكم والله مولاكم وهو العليم الحكيم. Allah has already prescribed for you, O believers, the way of redeeming your oaths, and Allah is your master, and He is the all-knowing and the all-wise. وَإِذَا أَسَرَّ النَّبِيُّ إِلَى بَعْضِ أَزْوَاجِهِ حَدِيثًا فَلَمَّا نَبَّأَتْ بِهِ وَأَظْهَرَهُ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ عَرَّفَ بَعْدَهُ وَأَعْرَضَ عَنْ بَعْدٍ فَلَمَّا نَبَّأَهَا بِهِ قَالَتْ مَنْ أَنْبَأَكَ هَذَا قَالَ نَبَّأَنِيَ الْعَلِيمُ الْخَبِيرُ. When the Prophet told one of his wives something in private, she went out and disclosed it to another. Allah then made what happened known to him, and in turn, when he brought up the subject, he only exposed part of what happened and declined on some. When he told her about what she did, she exclaimed, "Who told you this?" He replied, "The all-knowing Lord who is acquainted with everything told me." إن تتوبا إلى الله فقد صغت قلوبكما وإن تظاهر عليه فإن الله هو مولاه وجبريل وصالح المؤمنين والملائكة بعد ذلك ظهير. It would be better if you both repent to Allah now that your hearts have realized what you did. But if you uphold your stance against him, then know that Allah is his guardian master, as well as Gabriel and all the righteous ones among the believers and the angels. They will all support him. عسى ربه إن طلقن أن يبدله أزواجا خيرا منكن مسلمات مؤمنات قانتات طيبات عابدات سائحات سيبات وأبكارا. O wives of the Prophet, should he divorce you, perhaps his Lord would give in exchange wives who are better than you, and who are submitted in Islam to their Lord, believing in him, obedient, repentant, devoted immigrants to Allah, and who are either previously married or virgins. يا أيها الذين آمنوا قوا أنفسكم وأهليكم نارا وقودها الناس والحجارة عليها ملائكة غلاظ شداد لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون. O believers, guard yourselves and your families against a fire whose fuel are people and stones, maintained by angels who are rude with awesome powers, who never disobey what Allah commands them to do, and they comply exactly with what they are commanded to do. يا أيها الذين كفروا لا تعتذروا اليوم إنما تجزون ما كنتم تعملون. O you who were obstinate and determined at denying the truth, do not apologize today. What you are receiving is the exact just retribution for what you did. O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge onto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.